Welcome to video number 13, and in this video we're going to cover and we're going to look in more in depth into HTML editor in WordPress. Now in the previous videos we had a look at it, but it was pretty basic. So now in this video we're going to cover in more depth. In the following videos as well, we're going to cover in more depth as to exactly how we can use the HTML editor to get what we want in WordPress. So the first thing that I want you to do is go to your WordPress, and you can see that in your WordPress, well, this is mine that I'm not currently logged in, so I'm just going to say /wp admin, and I'm going to log in. Just waiting for that to load, and you're going to use your login details to actually get it going. You know what I mean? Just waiting for this thing to load up. And as you can see in my dashboard, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my pages. Now this also applies for your posts as well. So this is in essence, in the past we had a look at the visual editor, and in the text section, I kind of lightly touched how to change content or even wording in this section, but I didn't really cover exactly how we can use HTML to our benefit. And that's why what we're going to do in this video, we're going to look into more detail as to how to do that. So the first thing that I'm going to do and that you need to understand is you can use any HTML inside of your text section. So whatever you add in here, you can even add into your styling sheet, but we'll cover that in the following videos. But with this couple of videos talking about HTML editor, we're going to use inline styling to style our content. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you need to understand HTML basics. And that's what we're going to use right now. But in the following video, we're going to do it in more depth. So I want you to go and we're going to create a span of, we're not going to create a span, we're going to create a paragraph. And let's create a clothing paragraph after this, and you can create a new page if you'd like. If you want to create a new page and add some text or whatever, it's totally up to you. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna style this sorry, not class, I'm gonna style this paragraph. And what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna change the color to red. Let's do that and see if it actually works. I'm gonna hit update, and then it's gonna show a section where we can go view page. So that's what we're gonna do. And there you can see it changed my color to red. Now this is very nice, but this is not really what I wanted. So you can even go ahead and remove the paragraph or remove the inline styling and add a div if you want. I mean, if you want to put this in a specific area in your page, you can create a div, right? So the reason why I'm showing you all these changes is because you can have a lot of custom styling when it gets to the text section. It's literally just a piece of HTML that you can style. So I've just went and created a div section, but I didn't really do anything, so you can't really see anything. So we can go style, because we are doing inline styling at the moment. I'm not gonna touch the actual external styling, which we're going to cover in the future. So we're going to say style, and then we're going to go okay, margin 0px auto. So I want to tell them 0px from the top and auto from left and right, which means that will be styled in the middle. And then let's make it background color and let's make it hash. I don't know what that's going to be. That's probably going to be something weird. So let's go and we save this or update. You want to press update on the right hand side. Once you've done that, we can press refresh and we can see what happened. You can see that it changed the background color, but it didn't really change anything else. So that margin 0px auto didn't do anything. So we need to go and change that to maybe let's make it 80, and then press update on the right hand side, and let's press refresh and see what happened. And you see it moved down, and it spaced it out a bit. So playing around with margin, you can also get what you want. So in essence, with this div and the styling, you can see that you can literally custom the whole thing, right? So I can even go and change the width and the height of this thing. Let's do that. Change the width to, let's make it 400px, and the height, let's make it 100% because we wanted to go down, and we are going to float it to the right, and we're going to make it a position of relativity. Once that is done, we're going to hit update, and that's the important thing is always to remember to hit the update on the right hand side. And there you see that our whole paragraph is now on the right hand side. We still have this 80, so I'm just going to remove the 80 to 0. I'm going to hit update, and you will see that it will move it will move right to the top. So that is the basics as to how we can play around and style, you know, our paragraphs to get our one. In the next video, I'm going to show you in more detail, and we're going to get this piece of paper or this page. We're going to get we're going to customize it a bit just to show you what is the possibilities of this.